Imagine turning $10,000 into $76,000 without adding another penny. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me tell you about the magic of the 7% rule, one of the most powerful secrets in investing. Here's a story that might surprise you. Back in 1993, my uncle gave me some financial advice that I initially brushed off. He said, "Time in the market beats timing the market." I didn't get it then, but now, 30 years later, I understand exactly what he meant. Let's break this down in simple terms. When you invest $10,000 and earn an average return of 7% per year, which is roughly what the stock market has historically delivered, something incredible happens. In the first year, you'd earn $700. Not exactly life-changing, right? But here's where it gets interesting. That $700 doesn't just sit there. It starts earning money too. The next year, you're earning 7% on $2,700, and the year after that, you're earning returns on an even larger amount. This is what we call compound interest, essentially, your money making more money, which then makes even more money. Now, you might be thinking, but 7% seems small compared to those crypto stories where people made 1,000% in a month. And you're right, 7% isn't sexy. It's not going to make you rich overnight. But here's the thing. While those get-rich-quick schemes often end in tears, the 7% rule has been reliably building wealth for decades. Let me put this in perspective. After 10 years, your $10,000 would grow to about $20,000. After 20 years, it becomes around $40,000, and after 30 years, that initial $10,000 transforms into approximately $76,000, all without you adding another cent. The catch? You need two things, time and patience. The earlier you start, the more dramatic the results. Starting at 25 instead of 35 can literally mean the difference between retiring comfortable or struggling to make ends meet. But here's the hard truth. The biggest enemy isn't market volatility or economic downturns. It's our own impatience. We live in a world of instant gratification, where waiting 30 years seems like an eternity. But remember, the tortoise beat the hare. Slow and steady really does win the race. So what's the takeaway here? Start early, stay patient, and let compound interest work its magic. Your future self will thank you for the wisdom of understanding that sometimes the most powerful forces in finance aren't the most exciting ones. They're the ones that work silently, consistently, day after day, year after year. The 7% rule isn't just about numbers. It's about giving time the respect it deserves in your financial journey. Because in the end, time isn't just money. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth.